friends, so I was on my site and I was just trying to grab a quick link to something. So I typed in rainbow ukulele and look what happens. So some of the pages that are kind of like my landing thank you pages popped up and I was like, what? Like I had a special deal going on, which basically means if someone searches my website, they can get to my special offer page that is supposed to be kind of locked down. And this was a link from a website. Not cool. So I was like, well, clearly I need to exclude some pages from the search results. So here's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go to add new plugin, plugins, add new, and I searched for search exclude. I'm going to click install now. I'm going to click activate. I'm going to open up my pages. I'm going to select the ones that should be excluded from the search results. So basically anything that's an email series type thing. So I've selected those pages and I'm going to click edit, apply, search results, and I'm going to click hide. I'm going to click update. So I'm going to go through each set of my pages and just make sure I catch everything. You can also set it on an individual page level. So when you're actually creating the page, you can set it in the WordPress options. So come down here and let's say I've decided that I actually don't want to exclude this from search results. I'm just going to uncheck it. So that means now it's going to be included in the search results. If I check that, it won't. Click update and you're set. So now watch what happens. I'm going to go to my website now. I'm going to do a search this time. I'm going to search for rainbow ukulele. And this time, it's not pulling up that special deal, which is awesome. It is pulling up my frequently asked questions, however. So that's a plugin I have because I have WooCommerce. So let me show you how you would do that. I'm going to go ahead and you can leave it if you want it to show up. I actually do not. So I'm going to go to my global FAQs. I'm going to select all of them. I'm going to click edit, apply, show in search results. I'm going to click hide. I'm going to click update. So you can do that for any kind of project, any kind of special post. Like some of you have podcasts you might want to hide from your search results. Anything you want to hide, that's how you do it. So now I'll test it one more time. So this time when I search for rainbow ukulele, it's only pulling up either products about rainbow ukulele or if I have specific blog posts about rainbow ukulele, it's going to pull those up as well. Excellent. So now my pages stay hidden. That's kind of a weird WordPress bug. Hope that helps.